We're here at Carlsbad Canyon in New Mexico, and you can really see from up here. It's pretty amazing, the view. It was quite the drive up here. I'm not sure I got any video of that. I certainly should have, but yeah, you can see it's pretty just really high up here. But anyways, we just now trying to figure out where to go. We got our tickets, if you want to call them tickets, that's online. It's more of a formality than anything else. I think we paid $1 for them for the self-guided tour of the caverns. So hang with us. We're going to go try and figure out where to go and see what we see. Not really sure what to expect here. It seems like they have this beautiful facility back here going on. Since we already have tickets, it's just unclear where we should go. Hoping for some signage or something. Oh, here, yeah, they're always talking about the bats. Apparently, it makes sense. All these caves have bat things going on. There's this natural entrance, so we don't know if that's where we're supposed to go, or we're going to go take a quick look, so hang tight.
Wait a minute here. We're not going to that down there.
Okay, taking the elevator down because I don't know.
The walk down.
Say it again.
The walk down there, I think he said was like a mile and a quarter.
Yeah,
One way.
Yeah.
And then the whole tour is like over a mile. So we didn't want to put 4.5 miles on today. My ears are popping.
Yeah, well, we're 450 feet down. Ooh, so are mine popping. 500. What do you say? It's about 800 feet down there. Had to get this, show our passes. I mean, our America the Beautiful pass. And at the Rangers.
We're
right
700
there.
feet down.
Yeah. And then he gave us this. It's free to get in with the National Park Pass. Ooh, my ears. And,
Cave. Going up.
cave. Oh,
Oh, it's on the other side.
it's on the other side.
I guess we gotta go this way.
I guess. Cave humidity may cause shortness of breath. Wow. Restrooms down there. You said they were down here.
I don't think you're gonna see much on the camera.
Probably not.
You might on mine.
Right.
Let's see mine one.
Yeah, we'll try yours. Big room tour. We might have to use the Scott's phone to film down here because it's pretty dark.
There. You're not gonna be able to see anything on there.
Oh,
Trust
okay.
me.
Oh my God, here it comes, people. Scott's pictures from his phone montage. It's just fabulous. I really enjoy this beautiful caverns. It's just exceptional.
Carlsbad Canyon gift shop. Very fancy building. Oh, the Guadalupe Mountains rose up from the ancient sea. Huh. That's interesting. Of course, we got our gift shop purchases. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, this is a replica of actually what we just went through.
As a Apache people, we're Apache, saying Chi is a sacred place for us that goes back to our creation story as to how we were created.
Oh.
Places that they came from. So that's why it's very important and spiritually wise.
The land has a lot of bountiful things for us. The Spanish dagger, that's our first food. We call them Indian bananas, kushkana. It was traveling food. We use the Spanish dagger for string, which is very, very strong.
Piercing the darkness.
Our ancestors taught us those things.
We community with all the here and here. All the picture. The sunlight. All the animals. Orange.
Is it a loop or is it an autograph?
Something smells good. Oh, it's cold in there.
We spent 2 days at that BLM and got up this morning and had that fabulous visit at the Caverns. So now we're going to find something to eat in Carlsbad, and then we're on our travels, on our way again. Thanks for watching.
It's Carlsbad, the real Carlsbad.
New Mexico.
New Mexico, yes.
South California.
Oh, there's Carlsbad in California?
Yep.
Oh. Better call Chris. The signs say Dragon China Buffet. We're looking for someplace to eat. Let's see if we can find something.
That's not it.
No? Going north through New Mexico. Just for a little ways here before we head west.